Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find blocked emails in Outlook. Open Outlook on the web and click the gear icon in the top right corner. The settings panel opens on the right. Click Mail in the left sidebar. The Mail settings list expands and Junk Email is right there. Click Junk Email. Now the blocked senders list loads. Scroll down past the safe senders list until you see blocked senders and domains. This is the exact list of addresses and domains that Outlook automatically sends to your junk email folder. If there's a domain in the list, every message from that domain gets caught. A lot of people never scroll past safe senders and think the list is empty. If a sender is in here, their messages won't land in your inbox. Blocking a sender is not the same as unsubscribing. If you block a newsletter, Outlook just hides it in junk. The subscription keeps running. Let's check the folder itself. Close Settings with the X in the top right. In the left folder pane, click Junk Email. Everything the blocked list caught ends up here, plus whatever Outlook spam filter decides is junk. Open one of the messages. You'll see a yellow banner across the top saying it was identified as junk. If it's not junk, select the message and click Not Junk in the toolbar. That moves it back to the inbox and adds the sender to your safe senders list. If it is junk, leave it. Outlook clears this folder automatically, so you don't need to clean it out by hand, but check it every few days if you're waiting on something important, because false positives happen. Now, if you're using the classic desktop app instead, the blocked senders list is in a different place. Click the Home tab at the top, then find Junk in the Delete group on the ribbon and click the small drop-down arrow next to it. Choose Junk Email Options. A dialog opens with tabs across the top. Click the Blocked Senders tab. This is the same list as on the web. Select an address and click Remove if you want to start receiving mail from that sender again. While you're in that dialog, click the Safe Senders tab and make sure Also Trust Email from My Contacts is checked. That keeps Outlook from filtering messages from people you already know. If this got you unstuck, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.